Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel, all my viewers and subscribers who have tuned into my videos. Thank you all. And in today's video, we're going to be diving into the world of pool. You'll be seeing the roughing that I've done on the outside, which is filled with lots of lights, speakers, also outlets. And as we go around to the side, you'll see where I have the pool hot tub. Right here is going to be my connections with all my lights from the pool house. Here you're going to see I have the grounding where I have to ground and bond my hot tub, and also we're going to swing around and you're going to be seeing the pool which is not finished, unfortunately. And I will also have to bond this pool also with the ground wire that you recently saw. And then we're going to be entering into the actual inside of the pool house, where you're going to see it's filled with lots of pot lights. You're also going to be seeing lots of outlets and switches and so on, all the fancy stuff that's going to light up this pool house. As you can see, I have my cables all neatly strapped down to code. Over here, there's going to be a gas fireplace, and there's also going to be a TV with the outlet with the data cable. And then we go over into the, this will be the kitchen area here, mini kitchen, where there's going to be 2 outlets on the counter, along with 1 fridge outlet. Here will be the stairs to lead back to the tunnel, along with my switches. There's going to be an outlet, there's going to be a light at the top of the stairs. And then we're going to be going into the washroom, where you will see I have a couple pot lights in the washroom. I have a fan, bathroom fan, along with a bathroom GFI. And then I'm going to have my wall switches that's going to be controlling the lights along with the fan. And then we're going to be diving into the world of the underground tunnel that's going to lead from the house over to the pool. Obviously the lighting is not done in here yet, so there's going to be some lights in here, along with a panel that will control the pool house. And also I'm going to be having some pumps also to suck the water out of the ground. So there's going to be 1 pump in this corner, and then we swing around, there's going to be another pump underneath, as you can see. So that's the end of the video. So again, please like, share, and subscribe. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel.